Hey YouTubers, Stoney coming at you. Here we got all the tools I'm going to show you that we need for this junkyard or junker build. My glue gun, hot glue gun. Either kind, doesn't matter. People prefer this one. I use either. It doesn't really matter. So, you got the red or the blue, doesn't matter. These are all the tools I need. Somebody asked me, goo, so I can't remember now, asked me about this. Lighter, always a plus. This is an old punch. See if I can bring it in, zoom it in. Great for making holes, small holes. Pair of scissors, never know, come in handy. I like these. These are wire strippers, but that right there fits perfect for cutting trees without damaging parts. Or these. So I use both. Also, ripping apart plastic, holding things, pair of vice grips, pair of needle nose. These are for dents, damage, crushing, different size wrenches. This is a 3/8, a half, and a 5/8. I just like the different, you know what I mean, different size dents. It's nice to have an option. So, like I said, these are all the tools I need to build a junker. This is what I use. Everybody's seen me use this. It's my hot knife. I preferably the shorter handle ones, because I do have ones that extend probably out to here. I bought one and they're not very good. You definitely want the shorter handle ones. And these are ideal only for junkers, because when you're cutting your car, the blade actually melts the plastic around your line. So it's not a very clean cut. With a little bit of work and a little bit of putty, you can make it clean and do it faster, but it's a rather choice. You got this. Got this at Walmart for 20 bucks. It's they sell little ones like, I don't know, that big for modeling. But this is good. If you're doing a complete junker, you want to heat up a large area. I like to build my cars complete and then junk them. So if you have a heat gun like this, I think this is like 1700, 1200, I can't remember. It has low and high, but it gets pretty hot quick. I think it's like 1700 degrees. But you can melt a chassis, you gotta melt the chassis, the body, the interior tub. A lot of that is hard plastic. So this works very good, very fast. I would not recommend using a lighter for like lighter candle, because a lot of times they use the black flame or black marks and it takes longer. But if you use these are great. Like I said, literally you can have a car melted in seconds, as you see in my videos. I mean, you gotta be careful, because these will melt, burn, your plastic will shrink up, you know what I mean? It'll destroy your plastic if you're not careful with it. I like to do it repetitive, a few seconds, let it cool down a few seconds so you can actually work with it. Next is the Dremel, of course. You all seen. Let's see. A Dremel. This is a Dremel 300, 0 to 10 speed with the wand. The wand is the best part. This is the bit. Let's see if I can show it. I don't think it's gonna be if I zoom in here. See that bit? got a, I don't know if I can, I don't know if I can get it that close unless I take the camera off. But it has like a spiral thing with like a star. Let's see. Put a star in front. This works pretty good. It's the only bit I use. Let's see if I can trying to see if I can get in here. I can't zoom in. But it kind of looks like a brush. Like a boring thing. Great for thinning plastic, drilling holes. Only bit I use. So that's all the tools. What glue I use. Oop, let me back this up a little bit. So, that's what I use for that. Gas powder. Finishes. So, that's what I use for that. And 2 tapes. Next part of this video will be the actual opening of the kit and the prepping I need to do for. I have many requests, and keep them coming, guys. Until next time, Stoney out. Also, guys, I forgot these hemostats. Very good for my hot glue, because the hot glue always leaves strings. Very good for that. Putting in small parts. You know, they got the. But I use these most often for pulling hot glue strings. My regular ecto blade. I know these are throwaways, but this one's new and pretty sharp. But I have a Z. I don't know. These are like. You see these blades? See if I can see it. It's gold. These are like really sharp. So I also use these. And that's it, guys. That's all the tools I'll be using for this project. So stay tuned for episode 3 of this series. Until next time, Stoney out. Peace.